Hello guys, welcome back to Christalani Vlogs. Today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. This is like my third take, so the box is open already. Okay, so I decided to subscribe to my Boxycharm again, and this is for the month of May. So when I went to open up the Boxycharm account again, they offered me a free palette or another thing, but I just chose this palette, the Queen Eloise. I do have one already like this, so I'm gonna give this away, so I won't be opening it. I'll open my other one, but I'm pretty sure you guys seen it before, but just in case you didn't, I'll show you guys anyway. Alright, so I do have two of them. I got one in from a giveaway, and this one from my Boxycharm. So I'm not going to open that one. I'm going to open the one I had already, just to show it to you guys. And this is the colors in that palette. I did not play with it yet, but I did swatch this one here, so I didn't want to give that one away already. But these are the colors of that palette, so I thought I would get that palette instead, so I can give it to someone. And then let's see what else I got. It's a little bit hot in here. Let me go, let's get started. I'm excited to receive my box. First thing I pull out, it's gonna be this Murad. Okay. Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I was wanting to have this one. I don't mind having this, and I'm gonna use this every night and see how it makes me feel, you know. And this one here retails for $74. Okay, let's see if you guys can see that there. That's better. The next thing I pull out, it's this My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth and Lift. I never heard of this brand before. Let's read the card. The Skin Reviving Serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzymes, Q10 and hyaluronic acid, delivers all anti-aging power punch. I don't mind getting this at all either. This one retails for $65. So I'm gonna be trying both of them, and I'm excited for this. Let's see what it says in the back here. And there's also a Skin ID welcome code here, made in Japan. That's awesome. I like that. Okay, and the next thing I pulled out, I only see 4 things in here. Wait, hold on, let me see. Okay, so 1, 2. Sorry guys, I have to just count. Okay, so I got this. Okay, so, oh, here it is. Sorry, I did not see it. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. The Sayate of London. I got that with the shadow flip. This is $20. And it's an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. Okay, I think I liked it, this one. Okay, so I got this one here. It looks really nice, the color. My camera takes a while, I don't know why. Let's just swatch this one because I'm gonna keep this one, and it's right there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. It looks like it's fun to play with. Okay, and that's the swatch of that there. That's a pretty color. I could have used it when I did my purple, right, the other day. So that's $20. And then I did get this lip gloss, which I told them that I do not want no lip gloss at all. I am not a lip gloss person, and if I wanted to get lip gloss, I would just, you know, I already have some, but that's not my thing. And this here is $18, so I'm gonna give that away as well. I'm not gonna, I think it's like a tinted, it's tinted. Yeah. What's going on with my camera? Okay, I think that was me, not my camera. Okay, no, but this, I'm gonna give this away as well. And then the next item, so this is 18, and I'll put the total of everything at the end of the video, okay? This here, it's a KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette for $52. I just have a hard time believing that this costs $52, you know? Maybe because I never heard of it and it costs $52. And these are the colors. I really like these colors, but I feel like I have these colors in my palettes that I already have. So we'll see. I don't think I touched this one. Yeah, I didn't touch this one, so this is probably gonna be given away as well. Even though I'm giving away the eyeshadow palettes, it's okay because I kind of got worth my money already just by the skincare products. I don't mind getting skincare products at all, because especially anti-aging, you know, that's at the point where I am at right now. But $52 for this palette, I probably would not have even purchased this myself unless I'm getting it in my box here. But that was my unboxing, guys. And I'm gonna only keep these two plus that little eyeshadow thing here. So those are the things that I'm keeping in. I'm gonna try this tonight. I'm gonna do a full face of my skincare tonight and then use these babies. This one is like a overnight moisturizer. It would be good to just have the whole set because I'm almost low with my cleansers. But yeah, that's my box, my Boxycharm. And yeah, so I'm excited to receive it. I'm glad I got something good like the moisturizer and serum. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll leave some links down below. I'll leave like my Afterpay link. If you use my Afterpay link, we can get $10 each or something like that. $10 each. So if you sign up with that, you get $10 off your order, and I'll have a $10. And then I have the Rakuten, but it's called something else now. I forgot what it's called. I'll link all of that down below. And I have the Klarna. I don't know if they're giving something for that. And I also will put my Boxycharm link in there as well for you guys. If you guys never purchased or received Boxycharm in your life, go ahead and hit that link down below if you guys want to get it. It's about $25, but it also costs shipping, so it's about $30 and some change. Alrighty guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. You guys will have an awesome night. And I got one more video after this, and then I shall see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Alrighty guys, I'll check you guys in a minute.